Simulation 4. Guidelines. This is a lab item in which tasks will be performed on virtual devices. Refer to the Tasks tab to view the tasks for this lab item. Refer to the Topology tab to access the device Console S and perform the tasks. Console access is available for all required devices. By clicking the device icon or using the tab S above the console window. All necessary pre-configurations have been applied. Do not change the enable password or hostname for any device. Save your configurations to NVRAM before moving to the next item. Click Next at the bottom of the screen to submit this lab and move to the next question. When Next is clicked, the lab closes and cannot be reopened. Topology. Task connectivity between 4 routers has been established. IP connectivity must be configured in the order presented to complete the implementation. No dynamic routing protocols are included. 1. Configure static routing using host routes to establish connectivity from router R3 to the router. R1 loopback address using the source IP of 209.165.200.230. Next. 2. Configure an IPv4 default route on router R2 destined for router R4. 3. Configure an IPv6 default router on router R2 destined for router R4. Answer. AR3. Config terminal IP route 192.168.1.1. 255.255.255.255 209.165. 200.229. End. Copy running start. AR2. Config terminal IP route 0.0.0.0.0.0.0.0.0. 209.165.202.130. IPv6 route. 02001. DB8 ABCD 2. End. Copy running start. Thank you for watching. It's step by step. Keep exploring networking, CCNA commands, flashcards, real-world lab tips, one step at a time.